Blawayo, Blawayo province, and I'll just read the recommended names, the constituency, and the recommended names, okay? So I'll start number 1, Blawayo Central. We have Sarenda Gapoikulu. We have Lilois Nyoni. We have Aquilin Pamberi. Blawayo North. We have Minenhle Kumede. We have Jasmine Tof. We have S. Chiroza. Blawayo South. We have Francis Mangwendeza, James Sitole. We have Nicholas Watson. Cowdrey Park, we have Thokozani Kupe, we have Ndlovu Colette, we have Moyo Tabani. Emakhandeni, we have Bajila Decent, we have Ethman Joe, we have Stella Ndlovu. Entumbane Njube, we have Tichawana Mujati, we have Prince Dube, we have Brian Gumbo, Lobengula Magwegwe, we have Tendai Nyati, we have Eric Kono, we have Promise Mkwananzi. Mpopo Mamziligazi, we have Desmond Makaza, we have Charles Moyo, we have Tabile Ndlovu. Nketa, we have Dr. Mandla Nyati, we have Manduna Opet, we have Nantogozo Dube. Ngulumane, we have Desire Moyo, we have Rodney Jele, we have Utala Pulu. In Pelandaba Chabalala, we have Gift Ostalo Siziva, we have Ernest Rafa Moyo. Pumula, in Pumula we have Stelesile Masangu, we have Zibusi Mpofu, we have Kwende Bango. Okay, now this brings us to the end of Blawayo constituency. Ladies and gentlemen, in no particular order, I'll go to